Assalamu alaikum. I am Muhammad Mukhtar Hussain, Assistant Teacher, Muhammad Ali Academy. You know, my dear participant, our class has been suspended for coronavirus. That is why we are taking online class. So, my dear participant, I request all of you to join my class. So, no more talk. Now, start our lesson. Today, I am going to discuss a very important topic for you, my dear learner. You know, you have got idea about voice. So, I am going to discuss passive to active voice. In any examination or any class, it is very important for us to know about voice sense. We have learned already active to passive. So I am going to discuss today passive to active. How can we learn or know from passive to active? If we discuss, you know well it. So, my dear participant, I request all of you to get ready to your khata, pen. I am going to write on the whiteboard and you try to write down and sitting at home. So, my dear participant, now I am going to discuss. Take your khata and column. Okay. Now, look, my dear participant. Rice is eaten by Reena. My dear participant, you have idea about passive voice. You know, my dear participant, rice. Now, here subject plus verb plus past participle preposition by plus object. If we try to understand, to look the structure, you can easily change any kinds of passive to active voice. My dear participant, try to understand. At the time of passive voice, you should have idea active, subject plus verb plus object. Okay, my dear participant. So, at the time of active voice, you should cancel extra auxiliary verb and preposition by. You have to omit or cut out. So, my dear participant, now look, Reena, and this is present indefinite tense. So, Reena eats rice. My dear participant, you know, Reena subject, because is here present indefinite tense. You know, my dear participant, Reena third person. That is why at the roles of tense, if the subject third person singular number, we can use s or es at the end of the main verb, and subject turn into objective case. Okay, I hope you are clear. You have got idea. At the time of active voice, you should omit extra auxiliary verb and preposition. We have to deduct or cancel. You know, my dear participant, active voice we get three parts: subject, verb, and object. Verb according to tense is used here. So we can say Rina eats rice. I hope it is very easy. You can change any kinds of passive voice to active voice. Okay. Now I am going to discuss another point for you so that you can understand. Tea has been taken by him. In the same way, we can change you object, turn here you, and you know, my dear participant, this is present perfect tense. So at the time of active voice, been here cancel and by here cancel. So you have taken tea, active voice. Okay, my dear participant, you have taken tea, active voice, because we have got tea has been taken by you, passive voice. So you can easily any passive to active easily if you follow this structure. Okay, my dear participant, try to understand. I am going to discuss another point for you so that you can understand. My dear participant, I am going to discuss another points on. Now look, my dear participant, the book is being read by her. My dear participant, you know that at the time of tense, when we see present continuous tense, at the time of passive voice, we use subject plus am is are, verb plus ing plus object. But at the time of passive voice, we use the book is being read by you, by her. Now look, my dear participant, she here subject. This is present continuous tense. She is reading the book. Okay, my dear participant, at the time of passive voice, we used she is reading the book. The book is being read by her. So, according to, we use at the time of active voice ing plus for being, and is here also for present continuous tense, and preposition by here cancels and also being cancelled. So if we follow this structure, subject plus am is are plus verb plus ing plus object. This is active voice. Active voice. Okay. So we following this structure, we can easily any kinds of voice easily. My dear participant, this is present continuous tense. In active, we can see this structure, and at the time of passive voice, the book is being read by her. Active, she is reading the book. Okay, I hope you can understand, my dear participant. My dear participant, now I am going to discuss another points for you so that you can understand. My dear participant, now look. We have been reading a book. This is present continuous tense. If we use an active, this is active. This is active. But passive, a book is has been being read by us. Passive, and this is active. This also turn into we have been reading a book. So alternative way we can change it. Okay. I am going to discuss another example so that you can understand, my dear participant. My dear participant, another point, the football has been being played by them. My dear participant, passive, and we can change it active. We see them here, objective term here, they, and they have been being here, cross for active voice, and in and join ing with verb, playing, and object football. Okay. In this way, we can practice more and more and try to understand passive to active, any kinds of voice you can easily distance. Okay, my dear participant, I hope you can understand. If you do not understand any topics, next time we will discuss in detail. Till then, Allah Hafiz, to your good health, safe and sound at the pandemic coronavirus. Our class has been suspended, so I request all of you to stay at home and reading